Alright, so in case of the controller, we want to have a PHP Alien make controller. Oh, sorry, no, we actually already created the controller, but in the controller we want to go in and add a couple of functions here. So first of all, we want to have a function where we say index, and in the index we basically want to return all posts regardless of if you follow the user or not. And then because we're going to check that on the front end if the user is followed, and then we want to say public function edit, no update, sorry, and then inside update here we just want to have a request of request, and inside the delete, because we want to allow the user to delete it, we want to have a function called delete request of request, and then we want to go in here and basically make it to do all what we want to do. So in the update function we want to say check if post is edit or edit. If it is, it will return an error. And then we want to basically update the post, and then we want to return the new post in a JSON response. And in the delete function we just want to go in and basically delete the post, and in here we want to return all posts regardless of user. Then we also want to, because we want to make it more simple, say with public function get posts from user, pass in an ID here, and get all posts from user ID. So basically that's what we want to do here. We want to create all of these functions here, and then we want to be sure that everything works perfectly fine in here. Now the last thing we can actually do here is we can go in and create an integer and just be sure that the user ID is in here. The reason why we're gonna go with user ID and not just name or something like that is because in the scenario that the user would like to change the name, we would then be able to get the new name automatically, whereas before we would have to update every single post they have posted in before, which would take longer time. So this is just more practicality instead of doing it the other way around. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. So one last function we also need to do is just create a function to create a new article, a new post, sorry, and we can just go in like this, and then we're gonna pass in the request here. In here we want to first of all validate the length, and then we want to also validate if it's empty, of course. And then we also want to make sure that it's actually posting the post. And then we also want to pass it through a filter system for spam. And that's actually all we need to do here. The reason why we want to post it through a filter system for spam is if you can post a post by just clicking on it, it's really easy to spam it. So the case we want to do is we just want to make sure that you're typing something meaningful in, and it's just not like something like hate thing or anything like that. So that's basically what we want to do here, and that's actually all for this video.